Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me on my crafting adventure. Today, I have another design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I will be continuing my craft series featuring the Prima Diamond Collection. This is the 6x6 pad. I also use the 12x12 pad for this project. Please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. For today's project, I've created these simple but elegant trifold cards. They're also called zigzag cards. Now, I used a digital file by My Scrap Chick, and I'll be sure to include a link in the description box below. I did create these cards, or a variation of this card, a few years ago, and in the tutorial I show you how to create the offset, the belly band, as well as a waterfall feature. In today's project, I decided to keep the cards fairly simple because I really wanted the focal point to be the paper. These cards measure 3.5 inches by 7 inches tall, and I have two different examples. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look at each of these. This is my first card, and I really love the way this turned out. I love the slimline element of this. Because this is going inside a card caddy, I really needed the dimensions to be fairly slender. However, this card packs a heavy punch. On the front of the card, I have layered several of the papers together. Now, one thing to note is in this digital file, you do not receive these offsets. However, in the tutorial, I show you how to create these. And here I've used this beautiful copper paper, which complements this paper so nicely. On the back, I've got this white and black batik. Now here I have this oval. If you remember the first project that I've created with this Prima Diamond collection, it was a beautiful layered card, and there were several ovals that were cut out. Don't throw those away. Here I'm using them as a frame, so I've simply layered the larger oval, a smaller oval, which I have in white, and I've distressed that with walnut ink stain. And then I have this beautiful woman here in the center. I used some of the ephemera to layer behind the oval. This sentiment here, purpose driven, is from the 3x4 cut apart. And then I fussy cut more flowers here on the bottom. And then I've accented the card with these beautiful Prima Sayadin crystals. On the inside of the card, we have this cute little corner piece. Now, I did not glue this all the way down. I've only glued the corners. And here you can include a little photo, or I've included pretty tags here which complement this panel here. On the next panel, I have fussy cut these beautiful flowers on the top. I've used more of the elements from the ephemera kit. This is the other corner piece here. This is the Anna Griffin corner cut and embossed folder. I've further embellished that with these beautiful crystals. And then I have a blank area here where you could include a message. On the opposite side of the card, I have created this waterfall feature. These are using scraps from the previous projects that I've created. So there are 7 flaps here to hold 13 photos. And then on this panel, I have another little corner piece here and another oval that I've cut out from a previous card. And you can include a photo, you could include another message. It's just a fun little tuck spot. And on the back, I just have my information. Now, each of these cards also come with an envelope, so you don't have to worry about cutting that out separately. It already comes in the file. Let me show you my second card. This is the second card. I've done a lot of fussy cutting with these beautiful flowers. This sentiment here, live, laugh, and love, is from the 3x4 journaling cards. I've simply backed it on this copper paper to make it stand out. On the inside, I've used another one of these Anna Griffin corner cut and embossed dies. I have a little area for a cut apart or a sentiment that just tucks in nicely here. On this panel, I really wanted to feature this woman, so I've cut it down and layered it on this copper paper, and then I included the sentiment that says she's got that warrior princess, purpose-driven, savage but sweet kind of vibe. We have another corner element here and more ephemera and crystals, and then on the top we have these beautiful flowers which I fussy cut. On the opposite side, we have more waterfall pages. These are cut from scraps. And then on this page, I included this pretty frame. You will see this frame used in another project. I wanted to feature this beautiful woman here. On the bottom, I took scraps and I layered them together. So we've got this brown and this floral element here. I've attached it with this piece of copper foil paper, and then this beautiful sentiment is from the ephemera paper, and this is the back. These cards make a lovely statement piece, and as you can see, their unique design allows you to enjoy the card from all different angles. This concludes my review of my Trifold cards. If you like these cards, please be sure to watch my Prima Diamond Project playlist. I'll be sure to include a link in the description box below. There you will find some fun inspiration and all of the projects that I've created using this gorgeous collection. Also, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to join me tomorrow to see the next fun project that I've created. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.